Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're looking for a great business phone, I want to present you with this option. This is the Yealink T48S. This is an exceptional business phone that combines style, functionality, and ease of use. One thing that I really like about it is its sleek and modern design. It adds a touch of professionalism to any workspace, and it's a stylish addition to any office. But of course, it's not just about the looks. This phone really is a workhorse. It has a high resolution color touchscreen display, and you can navigate through its many features very easily. And the audio quality is top notch, so every call is a pleasure to participate in, and it reduces communication barriers. Hello, this is Santina. And because it has so many options, it's really suitable for businesses of all sizes. So whether you're just a small business starting out or you're a larger business with lots of employees, this can be a great option for you. This is the phone my husband uses in his home office, and we hope it will be great for you too. And that's my point of view.